Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte Motherboard driver. So this is first you have to come this website gigabyte.com and this is search and click on enter your model number of motherboard Z790DX and then hit enter. Then click on name of the title. Then click on support. Then select your operating system which is using Windows 10 11. So if you are using Windows 10, so this is also installations process same. LAN driver and Realtek LAN driver, and this is size, and just click to download. It will start downloading. Wait few seconds to complete. Then just open the file and double click to exe. Yes. Now this is extract and after that install. And this is done, and then close it.